Hi everybody, this is a daily video for our S.T.E.A.L and characterization for the very old man with enormous wings. I know a few of you probably will have questions on this, so I'm just developing this video very quickly so that you guys know exactly what to do. So this assignment has been posted under September, our September tab in classwork, of course. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, in class, you actually physically have this characterization S.T.E.A.L sheet right here. If you are working virtually, go ahead and create it on Canny, that's fine. But this is your characterization and S.T.E.A.L sheet. Again, you should get this in class, but if you do not, I have it available here for you. So, characterization and S.T.E.A.L, we talked about it on Monday. You have my PowerPoint. S.T.E.A.L, the S is speak, the T is thoughts, E is effects, A is actions, and L is look. So that's our S.T.E.A.L. On this worksheet, what you are going to go ahead and complete is this section below. Let's look at the directions. So, the directions say, it is time to take a closer look at the main character. But I edited that for y'all. It should say at any character. I have a character list available for you. It has most of the characters in the story. As we know, there were many more, but these are just a few. Going back. Okay. You're going to pick one character to identify and explain certain aspects of the character. You're going to find at least one textual example for each element of characterization or for S.T.E.A.L. So, for example, if we chose the very old man with enormous wings, we would have to find an instance where the angel is actually speaking in the story. I have provided the story to you all. It is right here under this link. Character list is right here. So you go ahead. Where does this angel speak? You're going to put the part number or page number if you can. What insight does the textual example give us into the character? So for example, the angel does speak. He speaks in a Spanish dialect from what we can infer, and it has a sailor's accent. Remember, accents are part of speaking. They're physically saying something. So we can infer that this angel has spent a lot of time at sea. We can infer that they are Spanish. They're from the region, so they're never too far away from that area. So we can make some inferences about when he speaks, which is very rarely as well. Towards the end, those sea shanties, that too. You're going to do the same thing for thoughts. Find the quote, analyze what can we infer, effects, actions, and looks. Okay, so you're just going to go all the way down. All right, guys, this is it for today. This is going to be due tomorrow, so at the beginning of class, please make sure that you have this done. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions or need anything from me, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.